Hi, now that you've taken the notes for bisector of an arc, I'm sure you've noticed that they're exactly the same as bisector or perpendicular bisector of a line. And you're wondering, how the heck, if I bisect this, and remember bisect is splitting this into two pieces, how the heck can the steps be exactly the same? Well, they are. We need to find a point on this circle that's exactly halfway. And I can't really measure that because I don't know the arc and I need to know angles and I need to, it's just crazy. So we're not going to do that. I'm going to follow the same steps. So I'm going to take my compass and I want to get more than halfway. So notice I'm way more than halfway across my arc. So you can see from here, the point of the arc, all the way over to here, I'm almost to the other end. I don't want to be exactly to the other end, but I want to get kind of close. So I'm going to shrink this up just a little bit. And all I'm going to do is do this. I'm going to draw an arc here. This is step B. Create an arc from each end. I'm going to come over here and notice my point of my compass is right on the edge of the arc because it has to be. I create another arc here. And remember, only 2 fingers on the compass. So as I do this, 2 fingers on the compass. And now what I've done is it looks just like it did for perpendicular bisector of a line, except we're bisecting an arc or cutting an arc into 2 equal pieces. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my little triangle here and I'm going to connect, just like we did before. I'm using this as a placeholder with my pencil, lay my triangle against my pencil and slide this around until I look over here. My eyes are only here to see if that lines up. And all I'm going to do is draw a line from one point to another. And this point right here is the bisector. That's exactly halfway. We could measure that if we want. We could take our compass and check it, but that's how you do it. So again, to label our pieces, this is B, that was step B, and this was step B, because that's obvious. I'm going to label this as given arc, because that's the one we started with. You could call it starting arc or the arc we're going to bisect. I just write given arc because, well, it's simpler. And then lastly, this line right here, I'm going to put a little arrow on it. That is C, or my last step, where I connected the 2 points. So that's how to create a bisector of an arc. Please send me a photo of at least one more of these. Show me how you're doing. And as always, feel free to reach out and ask me questions. I look forward to hearing from you.